Want to order like a true Singaporean? Master the art of ordering Kopi Tea and Milo in just minutes.
In Singapore, we have something called a Kopitiam, a traditional coffee shop where locals go for their daily dose of coffee or tea. But here's the thing. Ordering drinks at a Kopitiam isn't as simple as just saying coffee or tea. We've got our own special lingo. Let's start with Kopi, which is what we call coffee here. The most common order is Kopi, coffee with both condensed milk and evaporated milk, giving it a rich, sweet flavor. Kopi O, black coffee with sugar, for a simple, bold flavor. Kopi C, coffee with evaporated milk and sugar, giving it a richer texture but less sweet. Kopi O Kosong, black coffee, no sugar, no milk, straightforward and strong. Kopi Gao, a stronger version of coffee, perfect if you need that extra caffeine boost. Kopi Sudai, coffee with less sugar, just a touch for those who prefer it less sweet. Kopi Peng, iced coffee, perfect for Singapore's hot weather. Now for Tate, which is what we call tea. It's similar, but with its own set of variations. Teh, tea with both condensed milk and evaporated milk, for a rich, creamy sweetness. Teh C, tea with evaporated milk and sugar, for a more refined flavor. Teh O, black tea with sugar. Kopi O Kosong, just plain black tea, no sugar, no milk. Teh Tarik, this is pulled tea, frothy, sweet, and super smooth. Teh Peng, iced tea. Add peng if you want your tea cold. Teh Halia, this is tea with ginger, great if you're feeling adventurous. Now we can't forget about the local favorite, Milo. Whether you're young or young at heart, Milo is a staple here. But just like Kopi and Teh, Milo comes with its own set of variations. Let's dive in. Milo, the classic, thick and chocolatey Milo made with hot water and condensed milk. Milo Kosong, Milo without any added sugar or milk, just the raw Milo powder and water for a slightly bitter kick. Milo Peng, iced Milo, perfect for a hot day. It's sweet, chocolatey, and super refreshing. Milo Dinosaur, a regular iced Milo topped with a generous heap of extra Milo powder on top. Perfect if you're craving a chocolatey overload. Milo Godzilla. Want to level up your Milo Dinosaur? Order a Milo Godzilla, the same sweet Milo, but with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top for a cold, creamy treat. Milo Chino, a fancier Milo. This is a Milo made with steamed milk just like a cappuccino but chocolatey. Frothy, warm, and comforting. Neslo. Can't decide between coffee and Milo? Why not have both? Neslo is a blend of Nescafe coffee and Milo powder, giving you the best of both worlds. The caffeine hit of coffee with the sweetness of Milo. This one's perfect for those who like a little chocolate in their coffee. You can also tweak your coffee, tea, or even Milo to get it just right. For less sugar, say Sudai. Want it stronger? Go for Gao. And if you prefer it weaker, ask for Po. And if you like it cold, just say Peng at the end to get it iced. And that's how you order coffee, tea, Milo, or even a Milo Godzilla like a true Singaporean. So the next time you're in a Kopitiam, give it a try. You'll sound like a pro in no time. Oh, and don't forget, pair your drink with some kaya toast or soft-boiled eggs. It's the ultimate local breakfast.
Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels.